Did you know that the color red can actually make your heart beat faster? It's astonishing, isn't it? Colors are not just visual elements, they hold immense psychological power. The vibrant hue of red, for example, can stimulate our bodies, ignite passion, and even trigger alertness. On the other hand, blue, with its soothing undertone, can have a calming effect, helping to reduce anxiety and stress. This is why meditation spaces often incorporate blue. So next time you're feeling anxious, try spending some time in a blue room. Ever felt like everyone in the room is noticing your little mistake? Well, they probably aren't. This is what psychologists call the spotlight effect. It's a cognitive bias where we tend to believe we're being noticed more than we actually are. We might think our every move is under a microscope, but in reality, people are often too absorbed in their own world to notice our minor slip-ups. So the next time you're feeling self-conscious, take a deep breath and remember, you're not the center of everyone's universe. Remember, you're not under as much scrutiny as you think. Your name could be influencing your career path more than you realize. Here's an intriguing psychological phenomenon called the name-letter effect. It suggests that we have a subconscious bias towards things that start with the same letter as our first names. Yes, it's not a joke. This effect can even influence our career choices. For instance, someone named Larry might be more inclined to become a lawyer, or a person named Amy might have an unconscious preference for becoming an artist. So if you're wondering why so many dentists are named Dennis, now you know. Ever found yourself stuck in the cereal aisle, unable to make a choice? It's not just you. It's a psychological phenomenon known as the paradox of choice. This paradox suggests that having too many options can lead to stress and decision paralysis. The more options we have, the more effort it takes to make a decision, and the less satisfied we are with our choice. Even when our decision is objectively better, we become less happy with it because of the lost opportunities represented by the other options. So next time you're overwhelmed by a sea of choices, remember, sometimes less really is more. If you were in trouble, would a crowd be more likely to help you? Think again. This counterintuitive concept is known as the bystander effect. The more people present in an emergency situation, the less likely any one of them is to intervene. It's a strange quirk of human psychology where responsibility is diffused across the group, leading to inaction. So, if you're in a crowd and see someone in need, don't just stand there. Next time you're in a crowd, don't assume someone else will step up. Do you think everyone shares your opinions? You might be surprised. Welcome to the intriguing world of the false consensus effect. This psychological phenomenon refers to our tendency to overestimate how much other people agree with us. We often believe our views, values, and habits are the norm, assuming others think and act the same way we do. But here's the twist. Our perspectives are shaped by our unique experiences, making them far from universal. So next time you find yourself thinking everyone agrees with you, think again. Remember, the world is more diverse than you think. Ready for the most mind-boggling psychological fact? Here it is. This phenomenon is known as the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, or the frequency illusion. It's a quirk of our mind that makes us think something we've recently noticed or experienced starts to appear everywhere. Let's say you just learned a new word. Suddenly you start hearing it in every conversation, seeing it in every book you read, or maybe you bought a new car, and now it seems like every other vehicle on the road is the same model. It feels like the universe is revolving around your thoughts, doesn't it? But hold on, it's not the universe, it's your brain. This phenomenon is simply your brain's way of enhancing the importance of what you've just learned or experienced, making it easier to spot. Your brain is essentially saying, hey, this is important, let's notice it more. So next time you learn a new word and start hearing it everywhere, remember, it's just your brain playing tricks on you. We've explored some fascinating psychological facts today. From the intriguing power of colors and names, the spotlight effect, and the paradox of choice, to the bystander and false consensus effects, each plays a significant role in shaping human behavior. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the human mind.